Welcome back to Tech Force, and today we'll be taking a look at the SoundPeats Q29 wireless earbuds, which were sent to me by SoundPeats, who do a range of headphones, earphones, earbuds and speakers. So go check them out, they're linked in the description below. So now, in this video we'll be seeing if they're really worth buying, and if there are any better earphones out there to consider looking at. So, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, these earbuds come for about $60. Which personally I think is slightly expensive, but it does depend on what you're going to use them for. So when I received these earbuds, they were pretty easy to set up. Everything you need is in the menu, so this is a pretty straightforward process. These earbuds actually have very crisp sound, which can be very loud. And when I use them, I keep the volume at about 50%, which shows just how loud they can be. And they do a pretty good job at blocking out most background noise, which I think is pretty good. And I also believe that they could be used on a plane or train where there's quite a bit of noise. So this is a pretty good thing. But something that can really be improved is the fitting. Now these earbuds can be quite loose when put in your ears, so I wouldn't really recommend them for going to the gym or doing any sports with. But they are actually very good for wearing when sitting down, and they can actually be very comfortable. So I would definitely recommend them for this. But for $60, are they really worth it? Now I think that they are pretty great earphones, and you should definitely consider buying them if you're looking for a set of budget earphones with great sound. But for sports and going to the gym, they wouldn't be great at all. However, there are quite a few other earphones out there to consider buying. And another set of earphones would be the AJ's One Plus, which are tangle free, and although they aren't wireless, they have detailed and well-rounded sound, whilst also having pretty good noise isolation and being bass heavy. And for only $50, they are pretty good. But if you're looking for Bluetooth earphones, you should definitely consider the SoundPeats Q29, which are the earbuds featured in this review. Now, overall, I do think that the SoundPeats Q29 earbuds are pretty good. Besides them feeling slightly loose, they do have great sound and great noise isolation. And they also come with a charging case, which is an excellent addition. So okay, thanks for watching, that's it for now. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Goodbye.